dear friends, all of us are aware that our nation has been seen a lot of changes after Constitution came into force. We only see the changes, but we don't know the reasons behind them. Here are my friends to explain those things. Let us come to know the clear cut of Indian Constitution through this presentation.
Though we got independence in the year of 1947, we had not formed a proper parliament. We had to wait till 1950 for the amendment of the constitution. We were lucky to have Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who had taken initiative to write a such lengthy constitution. Here are my friends who are going to explain the constitution.
Hi Roshni.
Hello Sushmita.
Do you know what we are celebrating today in our school?
It is the Republic Day.
You are right.
Do you know about preamble?
Preamble is the heart of constitution.
What do you know about preamble?
I don't know anything about preamble.
What is preamble?
What are the objectives of preamble?
What are the importance of preamble?
What is the use of preamble?
Hey girls, stop your questions. Let's find the answers for these questions. Just like you both, many students don't know what is a preamble. Now our team girls are here to explain what is a preamble.
The preamble of the Constitution consists of several objectives and ideals like sovereignty, socialism, secularism, democracy and republic. Sovereignty, the complete power to take decisions on external and internal matters. Socialism, social justice is ensured by minimizing social, economic, political inequalities in society. Secularism, the citizens' right to profess and propagate the religion of their preference. The state have no official religion. All religions are equal. Democracy, the government is run by the representatives elected by the people. Republic, the head of the state is decided through elections. All these ideals are explained clearly that each and every citizen has a freedom to take his or her own decisions to lead a secured life.
Preamble is the introduction or the preface of the Constitution. It lays down the basic principles and objectives of the Constitution. Jawaharlal Nehru, creation of the preamble before the drafting committee of the Constitution. Preamble contains ideals that the Constitution seeks to achieve. The features of preamble are justice, liberty, and equality and etc. Justice. Justice stands for rule of law and system of equal right, freedom and opportunities for all in a society. Liberty. The concept of liberty to relates to the Indian citizens, freedom of action. Equality. Equality is a being equal, especially in status, rights and opportunities. Thank you. A very happy Republic Day to all of you.